Hey guys, what's up? It's Scott Clark with Scooter Media, and today I'm going to show you how to easily crop your video in Premiere Pro. On this channel, we provide filmmaking tutorials and tips and tricks, as well as doing some product reviews. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. For this example, I've dragged a video clip onto the timeline, and I'm just going to go down to the effects panel and type in crop. From here, I'll drag the crop effect onto the clip in the timeline. Now over in the Effect Controls window, you can see that the crop effect has been applied, and we now have 5 new options listed under the crop effect. They include left, top, right, bottom, and edge feather, and these are what's going to allow you to crop your video. If I slide the percentage of the left option up, the video will be cropped from left to right. If I adjust the top percentage, the video will crop from the top down. If I adjust the right percentage slider, the video will crop from right to left. And if I adjust the bottom percentage slider, the video clip will be cropped from the bottom up. The edge feather option allows you to feather out the edges if you'd prefer not to have the edges so sharp or harsh. This crop feature can come in handy to crop out something in your shot that you'd prefer not to see, or to add multiple videos playing at the same time. I hope this quick little video helps with using the crop effect in Premiere Pro, and if you guys found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please think about subscribing. Thanks for watching today's video. I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one.